Good afternoon, dear friends. This is Natalia with you on the Doctor Online channel, where I share my personal experience and answer your questions. Today we will talk with you about gelatin, a panacea for all the organs in our body that contain connective tissue. It is a mixture of proteins obtained as a result of collagen hydrolysis. The attention of scientists around the world is focused on studying gelatin. Proteins have even been found in its composition that are capable of killing cancer cells. Some fragments of gelatin, as scientists have shown, can lower blood pressure in people with hypertension, producing effects similar to angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors. Overall, a number of experiments have also revealed the antioxidant properties of gelatin. Many caring doctors recommend including aspic, colloids, and jelly in the diet when treating various joint diseases. As practice shows, the eloquent reviews of patients testify to the positive effect of gelatin on cartilage tissue. What effects can you expect from this remedy? First of all, the restoration of cartilage tissue, the maintenance of the elasticity of connective tissue, and thus the prevention of joint destruction. When the main elements of the joints are in normal condition, the amount of synovial fluid, in other words, the joint lubricant, remains at a fairly decent level, which is quite sufficient for smooth and silent movement in the joints. Among my patients, there are those who regularly consume gelatin in their daily lives. At the same time, they report improved joint mobility, reduced and in some cases even complete cessation of pain and aches in the bones. Faster muscle mass gain, which is simultaneously accompanied by increased muscle firmness. Many also report a decrease in nervous tension. Apparently, due to the glycine contained in gelatin, the condition of the skin, hair, and nails usually improves. At the early stages of arthrosis and arthritis, gelatin prevents the wear of the cartilage cushion. So, we have identified its positive effects. Many of you are interested in the possible side effects of using gelatin. Regular intake of gelatin, as well as any other chondroprotective supplement, can in some cases cause certain negative effects, such as various allergic reactions, constipation, and increased blood clotting. Almost any supplement designed to protect our cartilage from destruction is not free from the negative effects I mentioned. Moreover, for many people, treating with gelatin is affordable and simple. Many of you are interested in the question, which type of gelatin is suitable specifically for medicinal purposes? It is important to purchase gelatin that is not quick dissolving and, of course, meets the Государственный standard. That's probably all for today. Next time, I'll tell you how to properly use gelatin in order to get the maximum benefit from it. This was Dr. Savkina with you. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss many new, interesting and useful videos. And stay healthy.